The problem. Imagine you want to add team members in your WordPress dashboard as a separate section, similar to how posts are managed. However, you don't want them mixed with your regular posts or listed as additional pages under the Pages section. Instead, you want them neatly separated and accessible in their own dedicated category in your WordPress dashboard. The solution: open your WordPress theme's functions.php file. Alternatively, if you're using a child theme, recommended, edit the functions.php file of the child theme. Copy and paste the code we've provided in the link in this video's description. The code will register a new custom post type named Team Members, or any name you choose. Save the file and refresh your WordPress dashboard. You'll now see a new section labeled Team Members in the left-hand menu. You can add new entries for your team members, each with its own title, content, and featured image. These entries are completely independent of posts or pages, offering a cleaner and more organized structure. Additionally, editing with Elementor. If you're using Elementor, you might notice that the Team Members category cannot be edited with Elementor by default. Go to Elementor, Settings under the section Post Types, check the box for Team Members. Save your changes. Next, navigate to Settings, Permalinks, and click Save Changes to update the permalink structure. That's it. Follow for more.